Hello friends, welcome to Unix Programming Tutorials. In this class we are going to discuss about looping in shell programs. There are total 3 looping statements which can be used in bash programming. So what is a looping means? We can execute a instruction until the condition is false. Okay. The 3 looping statements are, one is while, second one is for, and third one is until. To alter the flow of the loop statements, 2 commands are used. They are, one is break, another one is continue. We can discuss all these statements with example. So first one is while statement. Here command is evaluated on and based on the result loop will be executed. So based on the result you are going to execute the loop. If the command raised to false, then loop will be terminated. That means the result is true, then we can execute this loop. If the command raises false, then loop will be terminated. The syntax is while, after that here you are going to give the command. This is the command. After that give the do, and you can write the statements to be executed in this block. After that you can write done. So while is the keyword, do is the keyword, done is the keyword. Okay, that means so while condition is true, then you can do execute these statements. After completion, done. For example, I want to print the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means the initial value of a equals to 0. It is incremented by 1. Each time I am going to print the value of a. So how I can print the value of a in Unix? Echo $a. Okay. After printing we are going to increment the value. Okay, that means the next step is increment a value. Here the condition is it is less than 10. So how we can write in C? While a less than 10, printf %d a and a equals to a plus 1 and initial it is 0. Initial it is 0. The initial value of a equals to 0, and while, so $a, how I can identify the value of a? $a, so less than. So how we can write the less than means hyphen LT. If it is a greater than hyphen GT. If it is equals to hyphen EQ. We can discuss in the remaining examples. Okay, then 10. Then we can write do. Yes, do. Do echo $a. So that means it prints 0. After that a equals to expression expr $a means 0 plus 1. That means 1. 1 is assigned to a. Now a value becomes 1. Again it goes to here. So 1 less than or equals less than 10. Yes, it is true. So enter into the block and print next value. And a is incremented by 2. So 2 less than 10. True. So enter into the block, print next value and increment the value 3. 3 less than 10. True. Enter into the block and print value. Similarly, we can execute up to 9. After 9, a becomes 10. 10 less than 10, false. It is false. Then we come to here, done. So at the time, this is the output. So now we see about first statement. The first statement operates on list of items. It repeats set of commands for every item in a list. So for the syntax is for, so this is the variable, After that you can give the list. This is the list, and you are going to operate these commands on each list. I operate these commands in word 1 in first iteration, in second iteration in word 2, in third iteration in word 3, in nth iteration word n. We can apply all these commands on these words. For example, for a in, so this is the list 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. In first iteration a equals to 1, in second iteration 2, in third iteration 3, and similarly in 10th iteration the a value equals to 10. Now we can see that. So what is the command we are going to apply on each iteration? That we are going to print a value is $a. It prints a value is 1 in first iteration. In second iteration a value is 2, and similarly we can print up to a value is 10. Okay, so now we see that there are two commands, one is break, another one is continue. So break means if you are using this statement, if the condition is satisfied, the loop will be terminated. If you are using the continue, then it satisfies the condition, then it skips the remaining instructions to execute. Now we discuss with one example. So for a in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, ignore this. So what is the expected output? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now if I use the break here, break, if $a, that means if the a value in first iteration, what is the a value? 1 hyphen eq. Eq means equals to 5. It is true or false? It is false. So we don't enter into this block. Go to here, print a value 1. Next iteration a equals to 2. 2 equals to 5, false. So enter here, print 2. In next iteration a value becomes 3. 3 equals to 5, false. So go to here, print 3. Next iteration 4. In next iteration a value becomes 5. 5 equals to 5. Yes, it is true now. So enter into the block, and there is a command. What is the command? Break. So break means the control come out from loop. That's it. Now what is the output? The output is 1 2 3 4. That's it. Now instead of break, we are using continue. Continue. If 5 equals to 5, then we don't enter into the next statement. We skip the instruction. Next go to 6. That means it cannot print the 5 value. In next iteration it prints 6 7 8 9 10. What is the difference we observe in this break and continue? Break means it break the loop. Continue means it skips the instruction. Okay, so for break, if you are using the break, we get only 1 2 3 4. If you are using the continue, we get 1 2 3 4, and 5 is skipped, and 6 7 8 9 10 will be printed. Okay, so now we see until statement. The until loop is executed as many times the condition evaluates to false. So that means it is refers to while loop. So while loop executes the statements until the condition is true. Until is executes the instructions until the condition is false. The loop terminates when the condition becomes true. But coming to while, it terminates if it becomes false. Okay, that means until is refers to while loop. Syntax is until. You can write the command. Do the statements will be executed until the command is false. That means if this command is false, we execute this instruction. If it is true, we don't enter into this block. Okay, now we see the example. A equals to 0, a value is 0. Next, until $a. What is the $a? The content in a 0 hyphen gt means greater than 10. 0 greater than 10, No, it is false. So enter into this block. Echo print A means it prints 0. Then A value is incremented by 1. Again it goes to condition. So 1 greater than 10, false. So enter into the loop, prints 1. Next 2, 2 greater than 10, it is false. Enter into the loop, print 2. And similarly, it prints up to 9. After that, A becomes 10. 10 greater than 10, false. So it prints 10. After that, it becomes 11. 11 greater than 10. Now it is true. So we come out from the loop. That means what you observe? The until loop is reverse to the while loop. So while executes if the condition is true. Until executes if the condition is false. While terminate the loop if the condition is false. Until terminate the loop if the condition is true. Now we see looping in shell programming. So this is the while loop. Say equals to 0 while $a, that means the content in the A, LT means less than 10, you are going to print the A value. After that you increment A value. Now we can execute this sh space while.sh. While.sh is a file name. Okay, this is the output. Now we see for loop sh for 1.sh. Okay, this is the expected output. A in this list, A value first is 1, in second iteration 2, in third iteration 3, in 10th iteration it becomes 10. Okay, now we can see break statement. In this, if A equals to 5, then we break the loop. That means we can print up to 1, 2, 3, 4. We can check that. sh for 2.sh. Okay, it prints up to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we see another for loop sh for 3.sh. It is the break is replaced with continue. Continue means only skip. The 5 is skipped. Remaining numbers will be printed. If you observe that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is skipped, remaining numbers will be printed. Now we can see until. Until is reverse to for loop sh until.sh. Okay, so this is the output of until.